Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. As you can see, today I am playing with my afro. I had it out and I was like, what should we do? I was like, why not try a few afro puff hairstyles that I love that y'all ladies can be rocking this summer. I know sometimes we're trying to come up with hairstyles and you forget the basics. Now, today we're taking it back to the very basics. I know like one of the major goals for every girl who goes natural is when they can do a puff. Girl, if you're there already, well, here we go. If you're not actually, I'll leave a video link down below on how I used to do a big afro puff before my hair got to this point. So you can check that out on how I used to do that. But if you have not watched the last video, as you can see, it was literally giving queenly vibes. Girl, I even changed my name in that video. If you don't know what that name is, then I'll leave it linked down below. Go on ahead and check it out and let me know what you think about the hairstyle. But let's get back into this video. So as you can see, my hair is freshly washed. Actually, you cannot see that. But my hair has been washed and I had it like that for like 2 or 3 days. I was wearing a headband wig. I don't know if you watched the last video. I did mention that my hair has been doing the most with shedding and I'm trying to, figure out how to fix that. So I'll be doing a lot of like deep conditioning that I'll be making. If you want to see some of the recipes that I'll be using, let me know. I'll try to share them with you ladies. So as you can see, I deep conditioned my hair. I put it in the little twist and now I'm just going to play with it with the afro puffs, but I'm trying to manipulate it as little as possible. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with it after this point, but we'll see. I'll probably share it with you ladies. Y'all know how much I love to share all these hairstyles and I know y'all love it and that's why you're here. So let's keep it going. So as you can see, I just added oil to add a little bit more of a slip because I'm being super careful. I really don't want to see shedding. Like I had so much shedding, it freaked me out. And y'all know that I'm not like super obsessed with my hair. If you're not new here, like I'm not super obsessed with it. Like as long as it's growing healthy and nice, like I'm okay. Like I won't go, over stressing about it or doing, too much extra things. But right now, like y'all, I'm trying to hold on to this hair. I don't want it to shed a lot. Like I was so freaked out when I saw the shedding. I wish I had the hair so I can show you. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm not sure if it's what I'm eating or I'm not drinking enough water. I don't know. Like if y'all ladies have had a lot of shedding before, like what was the reason and what do you do to fix it? Is there like something that you might be using that might work for me? Please leave it in the comment section down below and I will try, y'all. I will try different things right now and see whatever works and maybe try sticking to that instead. And if it's diet and everything, then I will try to drink more water and to watch what I'm eating just to see if that is going to change the way my hair is shedding. But anyways, now that my hair is free, as you can see, it's still looking nice-ish. It definitely needs a trim, which I think actually I should do that very soon and see if maybe that's what was causing it, that I need a trim. My ends are not super dry, but they need to be dusted off. They need to be cut off. So I'll definitely be doing that soon and I'm sure I'll definitely share that video because I have received questions before on how to trim your hair. So I will show you how I do mine. I live in Vancouver in Canada and girl, we hardly have any natural hair salons. In fact, I don't even know any. So I can't even go to a salon to get it done. So to do the afro puffs, I'm going to use that hair tie that I showed you. It's basically just an elastic string. You can use a stocking leg if you don't have like a string like this. The stocking leg would work just the same. I'm going to be using my Shine Jam Gel to slick down my sides, and these brushes that I'm showing you are going to assist me to create the hairstyles. I'm going to have a few accessories just here and there. As you saw at the beginning, they are absolutely not necessary. But if you're not new here, you all know that your girl is a little extra, or I like to go, you know what? It's not being extra, it's just going a little extra mile to make the hairstyle look different, to make the hairstyle mine, even though it's something that everyone wears. So you have to find a way to make it yours. And I'm assuming like you have like, you know, a lot of like parties to attend this summer, especially with like here in Canada, so many people have received the vaccine that we are actually officially not required to walk with masks anymore. So it's now like a personal choice if you want to wear masks. I don't know what I'll be doing actually. I don't know if I'll continue to wear the mask or not. We'll see how everyone is doing, and then I'll let you know how things are going on. But as you can see, I'm basically just pulling the hair to the back using the hair tie. I'm not tying it too tightly. That's one mistake that I used to do when I was beginning my natural hair journey, is basically pulling my hair so tightly, and then you'd feel it on your edges, or at least the perimeter of your head. You'd feel like very, very sore. So can you imagine what you're doing to your scalp and your hairline, basically pulling it out? So don't be too rough with it, be gentle, and don't tie it too tightly. But as you can see, already looking cute and fly. I love Afro puffs. They're so easy to do and they look great on almost everyone. In fact, I don't even know someone that I've seen like with an Afro puff that didn't look good. Look at it, like just like that, and we're simple, done and gone. You know, y'all know that I love earrings, and if you want to check out some of my earrings, it's on the website called Cultural Mashup, and I'll leave it linked down below in the description section. Again, it's culturalmashup.com. But as you can see, it's looking cute, looking fly. So I wanted to do something extra. I wanted to go on ahead and add some flowers, because I can see myself showing up somewhere like this. Yeah, like this. So I actually thought I was filming it. It turns out it wasn't filming when I was putting the flowers on, but yeah. This is what the flowers look like. So I actually went to dollar store. If you have like a dollar store or Dollarama, they probably have them or something similar that you can use. Any hair accessory that you have, honestly, just make the style your own. You know, who cares if anyone wears it? Just make it your own. So I went there and I bought the little flowers. They were all on one string. Ooh, English. And I think they were being sold for $1 or $1.25. And as you can see, looking cute and feeling cute as well. So let's move on to the second puff options. Now we're going to raise it a little bit, just because you can do that. And my hair is long enough to do it. I remember when my hair was shorter, I could not do some type of puffs just because you need more hair. This was one of them, because if your hair is short and you try to pull it up, ooh, I'll be looking like a hot mess. But like if your hair is longer, then you can, if your hair is shorter, then you can do the back one. And I think the back one still looks cute even when your hair is shorter. Again, if you want to fake it till you make it, I'll leave a video link down below that you can check out on how to fake an Afro puff till you get here, or at least halfway through here. I think when my hair was halfway through here, I could make Afro puffs and they would still look cute. But as you can see, looking good, looking cute, and it's a different hairstyle. So if you're wearing like your Afro hair outside for the whole week, here are some ways that you can change it up and make it look cute. Like, I love natural hair and the amazing things that we can do with it. Don't get me wrong, I love all things hair. I just love having the option to change it up, to make it look different, to try different things and just try to make things my own. And I love how my personality kind of changes to match the hairstyle that I'm wearing. Or does the hairstyle, actually, maybe I make my hair in a way that matches my attitude, my feelings. Actually, yeah, because our hair is a form of expression, right? It's like an artful expression of what we're feeling. And sometimes, like I always say, sometimes I'm not feeling well. So usually one of the things that I do to lift up my spirit or to make me feel good is actually doing my hair. Now, if you're new here and you don't believe me, you should try it. One day when you're not feeling so good, you don't feel like getting dressed, you don't feel like doing anything, just go in the mirror, do your hair, and see how you feel about that. Because I'm telling you, when your hair looks good, girl, you cannot help but to do other things that make you feel good. When my hair is looking good, Like I have to add on maybe like a little lipstick because we cannot waste that hair. And you cannot just, have hair looking fabulous and then walk out looking all shabby. It's wasting the hair that looks good. So when my hair is looking good, I'm definitely going to put on that lipstick, and I am definitely going to try to find a cute outfit. No matter how I'm feeling, even if I feel like relaxed, I will find a relaxed, cute outfit so when I step out, the hair is fully represented. And getting dressed in general does make a person feel good. So if you're looking for a pick-me-up today, girl, get in that mirror. I mean, don't get in the mirror, but stand in front of that mirror and start doing something cute. It doesn't have to be hair. You can pull your hair in a bun. If lipstick is what makes you feel good, then put on lipstick. If lip gloss is what makes you feel good, then put on lip gloss. If it's doing your eyebrows, girl, just do it. Just make sure that you're feeling good after that. So for this one, as you can see, I want to pull it to the front, but I want it to be at the front. So what I'm doing is basically pulling out the hair at the front, and then I'm going to pull the hair from the back, pulling it to the front, and then I'm going to use some pins to make sure my hair is laying the way I want it to lay at the front. But here we go. So the back is sorted out. Remember to brush your hair at the back. I always forget, and honestly, up to this day, I still sometimes forget to brush the hair at the back. I used to get comments on how I'm forgetting the back kitchen, but I don't know. If you want to brush it, girl. If you don't want to brush it, who cares? As long as you're feeling good. That is all. I always like to share in my videos, but the point of it is for you to feel good. So as you can see, I used some pins to make sure that my hair is laying at the front like that. That way it won't move. If the wind blows, I'll still have that front bang-ish thing going on, and I absolutely love this hairstyle. So what I usually actually do is make it slightly smaller at the front. I didn't make it small here, but I went off camera, I went ahead and make it slightly smaller at the front. Make sure when you're doing that, you're figuring out how it's framing your face. Like I always say, it's important when you're doing a hairstyle to change it in a way that frames your face well, because you don't want to do a hairstyle that is going to end up making you look bad when you're like, you're beautiful. So make sure everything that you do is complementing your beautiful face, because hair is an accessory. So when you're accessorizing, make sure you're accessorizing in a way that complements your face, complements your structure. Like the point is to add goodness. Because why put the effort in it if it's not going to add extraness to it or to you? But moving on to this last puff that I absolutely love. I love a side puff. Like there's just something about it that makes it look like it's not a puff. Does that even make sense? It absolutely makes sense in my head. Like it just looks so extra that it looks like you've done so much, like you've really thought about this, like you've really are doing the most, like you are intentional about getting dressed for that event, for that occasion, to the point where I never feel like I should wear an afro puff, like a side puff every day. Like it's just like a special occasion hairstyle. By the way, if you're looking for something simple that is so easy to do for a special occasion, girl, just pull out an afro puff. Like how does this not give extra? How does it not give life? How does it not give, I thought about my look today? Look at that. Like that. Just, a rubber band or like an elastic band or whatever you use to do your puff. Ready, set, go. And you are done looking fabulous, showing extraness, showing people you're welcome. You're welcome by my presence today. Look at it. So I wanted to add an accessory to it. I really thought about how to add an accessory to it, but I was like, girl, like this just looks so fine and extra already. Like I don't feel like I needed something. Although if you're wearing it for like a bridal thing, you can add like a little nice jewelry on the side. Maybe not something big, because like I feel like the hair is like statement already, that you don't need to add too much statement to it. But if it's your day, then I mean, who can stop you? Who can stop you? Just do what makes you feel good. But this is it for the hairstyle, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope if you're looking for hairstyles this summer, don't forget that Afro puffs are a wonderful option that you can literally wear anywhere, whether it's to work, going out, nice barbecue, date night, or I don't know, those fast dates, like showing up like this is me. This is what you're getting when you go out on a date with me. This is what you're getting when you're in a relationship with me, you know, basically just showing up. So this is what I was talking about. I was trying to add the flower, but it was just not working. Although now that I think of it, maybe it looks cute. No. I don't know. I tried the other side as well just to see how that would look like, because I didn't want to like ruin the puff and how it was like. I don't know. I love it. I love this one. This is my favorite. Tell me what is your favorite puff down below, or which one was your favorite among these ones. If you do a different puff, please share it in the comment section. Let us join in the movement. This looks cute, right? I don't know. Let me know. But thanks for watching the video, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you ladies on Sunday. So we did have a vote in the last video, and the comments that I got were to post on Thursday and Sunday. So I will see you on Sunday. Bye, ladies.